Alright, I just got back to the warehouse and your boy has got the meat. Let's get these bad boys out, unloaded into the warehouse, and on. Check out those meaty boys. All right, we went with a 215 45 17. And these, I must confess, are cheapos. They're Barham tires. They're called a WRX. And they are not like some crazy high performance racing tire. They're a cheap all season. So, until your boy gets a tire sponsor, or we could just afford to shred expensive tires and we have a drivetrain that can handle it, we're gonna run cheap tires. But I love how meaty these things are and how big they are. It's just gonna look like a rally car, and it's gonna allow us to shred on some like gravel roads, do some donuts, not care about our tires, and hopefully save our drivetrain. So I am pumped on these. Huge thanks to 1552. Look at this. I love this I keep calling it hardware, but these valve stems, aluminum valve stems, where the logo is located. The wheels are just designed super well. They're super aesthetic, and I am hyped on them. It is so nice to get support from someone who sees the vision of our build and what we do at Super Tuner and where we're headed. So I can't wait to show you some content with these wheels on. Next, we gotta get our spacers tightened down and then secure our wheels to the spacers, get everything to torque specs, and adjust our suspension. Wait. Before we get these installed on the car, I need to take a poll. In the comments below, let me know if you're a meaty tire boy or a stretch tire boy. Now, as far as I know, I am the first WRX with 1552 Integrale wheels. I don't know, is it official if it's not on the ground yet? We're still on jack stands. I don't know, but I haven't seen one yet, and it is February 10th, 2019. I'm surprised. They're 5x100, they're sick, they fit. If this was a stock body, didn't have these wide fenders, these would fit amazing without spacers. Beat you to it, guys. Get your first look before it gets lowered down. Gonna have to make some adjustments with the suspension. Right now it's sagging, but I don't think our ride height will be right. Changing the wheels and tires from those big 18s to these little light 17s. All right, fast forward a few days, okay? You can tell I'm dressed different. I'm wearing some of our new products you can get on the site. Hit the link below. But a lot has happened in the past few days. You can see a little sneak peek behind me. The Subaru is out of the shop and on the road with the new wheels, the new tires, the new spacers, the wrap, and the wing. This is basically the first time V2 is outside. Now, we've talked about filming a little reveal video, or you know, what order these should be edited and released in. I haven't decided yet, But this is actually the first sneak peek of this thing being on the ground with the ride height adjusted and everything. Hopefully you guys like rally cars, because here it is. The wrap is finally done. I just have to fix the mirrors a little bit. They're a little hard to do. The wheels are on, the spacers are on, the tires, and the wing. So, this is the look for the WRX for now. There's some more stuff to come, but I think this fitment turned out so good. It's basically flush on all four corners. Thing is without mud flaps and those cutaway wide body fenders, this thing just shoots so much stuff up against the side of the car. And then back here again, good fitment. The wing, I could not be more hyped about the way that this thing turned out. If you know me or have known me for very long, I love rally cars. I always say that in the WRX videos. But I feel like this is a huge step closer to the road-going version of a WRC car that I've always wanted to build. Alright, so don't get me wrong, I'm not delusional. I know it's not a WRC car, but this just made it look a whole lot more like one. Now that we've got some smaller, lighter wheels and tires that are skinnier, this thing should be able to boogie. We should be able to do four-wheel drifts, donuts, and just shred this thing. Not to mention spend a lot less on tires. So, as I mentioned before, Super Tuner gear. If you're watching this, please support the channel. Hit the link. You know I'm a nut about product design, and this is one of the new products we released for the 240SX giveaway. Wait. We're just gonna get the 240 out right now. It needs to get out of the garage, warm it up, run it a little bit, and I wanna see it next to the Subaru outside in the light. It's been a cold, long winter, and we gotta get these things out. Alright, if you're new to this channel and you haven't been following along, we built this 240SX over the past few months to give away to one of you. You're gonna have a chance to win it. All you have to do is hop on our site and purchase some of our product. It will automatically enter you to win. Next to each product, you'll see how many entries it gets you, and that's how you get entered to win the 240SX. There's a list of official rules there and everything so that you can see it's legit and understand how it all works. Check this out. It's so good to have it outside again. It's been winter, it's been miserable here. Oh man, I forgot how much I love these lugs and wheels. The combo's just so classic Japanese style. I actually love the profile of this thing with the roof spoiler and then no trunk spoiler, and then like the shape of the BN sports style kit. This is just like classic S14 styling. Front of the Kuki is definitely like the best view of the car. It's hard, like all we post on Instagram are front view shots. It just looks so mean. Like, look at that. Whoever wins this car is going to have a blast. This thing just screams. If you've been watching any of our official like release videos or anything, it sounds so sick. And we're going to be making some more videos here soon with like different features, showing you the two-step and anti-lag drifting it around, doing some donuts, stuff like that. Just getting out of the warehouse a little bit more. So thanks for watching this episode. Stay tuned, guys. Let us know in the comments below what kind of content you guys want to see so that we can keep making it. We want to keep making YouTube content and have fun doing it, but that only works if you guys enjoy watching it. So let us know in the comments below what you think about the builds so far and what you want to see more of on the channel, and get entered to win the 240, because you don't want one of your friends winning it and you didn't enter.